Hi everyone. I'm really excited to share with you a product that was sent to me by Bally Outdoors. This is their 6.5-inch stainless steel smokeless fire pit. I have to be honest, I did not expect to enjoy this fire pit as much as I am, and it's a great addition to our outdoor space. You can see the gorgeous shape of the flame. After extensive design work, Bally Outdoors has perfected the air tunnels for turbo flaming. With this patented internal structure, you can now enjoy a mesmerizing, dancing woven flame. In this video, I'll unbox and assemble the fire pit. I'll show you how to add fuel, start the fire pit, and control the intensity of the fire. I'll show you its versatility, and lastly, we'll roast marshmallows, hot dogs, and make hot chocolate. Stick around to the end for information about an exclusive discount for Ryan Gin Living viewers. Please stay tuned. Here's the box that the unit came in. Let's take a look inside. The fire pit comes with this convenient storage bag, which is perfect for taking it outdoor camping. Here are all the parts that the smokeless fire pit comes with. Assembly couldn't be easier. I'll get started by screwing in this vent handle. Next, I'll turn it over and attach the support legs. The next step is to simply drop in the inner burn chamber and the top cover. And the last step is to attach the two pieces of the grate. Let's start the fire pit. The fire pit allows you to use two different sources of fuel, either wood or pellets. I'll be using pellets this evening. I'm going to use the scoop that comes with the unit and fill the burn chamber All right, so I'm stopping right below the top where the holes are, so you don't want to cover the holes. Next, I'm going to take a tumbleweed fire starter, place it right on top, and place the top cover on, and start the fire starter. Okay, let's go ahead and wait for it to start burning. Okay, that fire starter has ignited those pellets. Take a look at that flame. The smokeless design creates a beautiful woven flame. The intensity and the height of that flame can be controlled by moving this lever. This lever controls the vent. Right now it's all the way open. As I move it to the right, it's not all the way closed because there are some holes that still allow oxygen to get into the burn chamber. But there's less oxygen getting into the burn chamber, and that flame is slightly smaller than it was when that vent was all the way open. So of course, this will allow you to burn your pellets for a lot longer period of time because you're not going to burn up as quickly. Let's have some fun by roasting a hot dog. I'm going to place this stove rack on the fire pit to boil some water for hot chocolate. Stir. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Okay, it's time to do an all-time favorite around the fire, roast marshmallows. So there you have it. This was the Bally Outdoors 6.5-inch stainless steel smokeless fire pit. After using this compact unit for a couple of days, I couldn't be happier. I really like how easy it is to use. All you have to do is add pellets and a fire starter to enjoy a gorgeous dancing woven flame. Its portability allows you to move it around your outdoor space, and with the storage bag, you can take it to the beach or campground. Are you ready to upgrade your patio nights? Grab yours today and enjoy an extra discount as a Ryan Gin Living viewer. Check the description for a discount link. Please consider liking and sharing this video with people you know. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate your support. And as always, thank you so much for watching.